Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys what Echo Park has available for their warehouse sale. I know you guys love these videos and when I share them, so definitely check out what they have, but you could also just see this video. I will do a quick run through. I feel like I can't talk that much. I was at the dentist today and my mouth is still numb, so I'm gonna try to make this fairly quick. But as soon as I got onto this, this came up, and this would make such a cute album, guys. Like, how adorable is that? Anyway, so their warehouse sale. I'm gonna have a link down below where you guys could check it out. They have all these categories available. So let's start with collection kits. So they are $7.50 or 4 for $25 or 10 for $60. They do have I want to say 5 pages of this. I was looking on my phone, so maybe it's a little different like on the computer. But there is literally like all the themes you could think of on here. Christmas, fall, summer, baby, school, pets. Oh no, there's 3 pages on here. On my phone it was 5 because I was looking at it on my phone. There's winter, crafting, there's a spring one I see right here. Wedding, the Disney collections, and Witches and Wizards, Farmhouse Kitchen, some travel ones, family game night. So there is a bunch of options for that. They have 6x6 paper pads, $4 each, or 3 for $10. I see some 4th of July, Christmas, graduation, similar to the other ones, except well, they didn't have any of those in the 12x12. I think they had the graduation, but that's it. Fall, birthday, baby ones again, more birthday. So there's birthday girl, birthday boy, more baby ones. Baby, this is a neutral baby right here. This is a baby boy. And I think they have a baby girl right here. So you could get a ton of those if you want. There's other baby ones, beach, school, basketball. They had football in the 12x12. And they have like some religious ones, like these Bible stories as well. They have 12x12 and the 6x6 paper pad. So if you are into that, that's an option, and some other baby ones as well here. So that's the 6x6. They got sticker sheets, $2 each, or 10 sheets for $15. So if you have some papers from a certain collection, this is a good option. I also like to get these just when I'm trying to use up scraps. Like I use a lot of leftover scraps. So if it's not a collection kit and I just have scraps left over, I would get a sticker sheet, especially like these salutations. This one, because it's got a lot of like cut aparts that you could use as a sentiment on like the front of a card when you're making some scrappy cards. So that's what I would gravitate towards too, but it really depends on how you craft and what you make. So they do have sticker sheets. They've got some bundle options here. So these are well, the first one, the Wish Upon a Star, is $40. Oh, they're all $40. Okay. There's a Christmas bundle and you get the Enamel Dots. I see chipboard, ephemera, other chipboard, the solid papers, 2 packs of ephemera, so it's probably frames and tags, and the ephemera, the chipboard ephemera, the what is that? The puffy stickers, probably enamel dots, and you get solid and the collection kit. So they have a bunch of bundle deals ready to go. So that is awesome. Then they have albums, and these are just blank bases. Oh, that's a new one right here, the Santa Claus Lane. Oh, this one too, actually, the Wonderful Christmas. I want to see these. I don't do these kinds of albums. Oh my god, my mouth hurts. It's so sore. But this one has the little Santa, and then this one, I like this one. This one's nice and floral. So those are all options if you are into those kinds of albums. So sticker books, you guys know I try to show you guys like what they have and stuff, but I know some of you guys have been waiting for Christmas sticker books, and they do not have Christmas sticker books again. They have a lot of baby sticker books this time around, and there's some summer ones as well. That's mainly what this sticker book section is. No Christmas, not really fall, nothing. They got decorative brads. They're $3 each or 5 for 10. So the brads are adhesive stickers that I like to add in the middle of my spine sometimes if I have extra space. And if it's not like a hinge, and then there's just a couple of like chipboard pieces. So I do use some of these like Christmassy ones. They just add a little something something. What else? Printed cardstock. Okay. Printed cardstock is 69 cents each. It's just solid cardstock individual sheets, so you could get whatever color you're looking for. Maybe it's Christmas, maybe it's fall, maybe it's Easter or spring, some pastel-y colors. They got chipboard. Their chipboard is $1 each, which is a fairly good price in my opinion. So you get a ton of these, especially if you guys like to make layered embellishments and chunky memory decks cards or whatever it is that you guys craft. That's a good option, especially considering it's $1 and they're normally $5. Ephemera is $2 each or 10 of packs for $15. So again, if maybe you don't like sticker sheets, and these are going to be larger, I prefer sticker sheets, but like I said, it depends on what you're crafting. So maybe you do have the collection, maybe you don't have the ephemera, maybe you know you're going to be making a larger album, or whatever it is, whatever you need these for. They have different versions, like they have ephemera. They also have some of these in the frames and tags. Like for example here, they got ephemera, they got frames and tags. They got frames and tags up here, that's ephemera. So these ones are good because you could actually also just click on them and see what it comes with on the back. So you could see what kind of ephemera you're going to be getting with those. So that's an option. Solid kits are $3 each or 10 packs for $25, which comes out to $2.50 each, but you got to get 10 packs first. I do like solids though. I like to get Christmas ones because they tend to match with most of Christmas collections. Same thing with fall ones or Halloween. But if there's a very specific collection that you would like to get, you could totally do that as well if they have it. Mega pads are $5 each or 3 packs for $12. So instead of 15, it would be 12. And the mega pads have 48 sheets, and I believe they also have some solids. They definitely have more mega pads than they normally do. Well, actually, no, I think last time they had quite a bunch, but sometimes it's only like a few. So they do have some mega pads. It's still mostly baby, one summer, one wedding, and Disney, and that's pretty much that. And then I guess there's a here, there, and everywhere, but I guess there's not that many options really. Puffy stickers, let's see what they got here. And these are $2.50 each. So these are smaller embellishments. If you're looking to make something smaller and have some dimension, maybe it's a small album, this is a good option. So they have some available, not a lot. Photo sleeves, these are good for the albums if you get the appropriate size, or maybe you have a different size album and you just need to get some extra pages. So they have different layouts for your photos if this is how you scrapbook and do memory keeping. And then, whoops, that is my page. That was my YouTube channel. I X'd out by accident. So then the last category they had is enamel dots, and these are $3 each, which in my opinion is a little bit pricey. If these were $1, I would stock up, but the fact that they are $3, I find that, you know, pricey. Like, why is the chipboard $5 going on to $1, but the enamel dots are $5 going on to $3? Like, that doesn't seem like a good deal really at all. But if you really need to have your enamel dots, then I guess this would be the best time to get it while they are on sale. But lately I've been using my Nufo drops for enamel dots, and that's going to be upcoming in a future video where I show you guys how to do that. But yeah, so that is everything for Echo Park's warehouse sale. Check it out if you guys have been wanting to get some stuff. It is free shipping over $50 within the US. And yeah, so happy shopping, guys. Hope this was informative, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.